Did you know that half of YouTube viewers watch YouTube on their TV? You might be watching this on your TV right now. That means if you have a cooking show on YouTube, you have a cooking show on TV. Here's a quick look at some of my clients who've used YouTube to put themselves inside people's homes as a TV chef. As you can see, YouTube is just another video streaming app on a smart TV these days, just like all the other video streaming apps. YouTube is just another channel on TV. Something that YouTube does for you that no other social media platform does is it puts your content right in front of people without them having to go look for it. I didn't have to go looking for Chef Lance. He's one of my clients. I didn't have to go looking for him. All I did was open the YouTube app and it puts his latest video right in front of me without me having to do anything. This is how you can put your cooking show directly in front of the people who you're trying to reach.
Hey everyone, today we're going to cook chicken piccata. Now piccata is what the Italians call the butter sauce. It's essentially a beurre blanc in French, or a white butter sauce, which means we're using white wine.
Here's Spike Spencer, another one of my clients. Again, I did not have to go looking for this. This is what was on my YouTube app when I opened it today. When I turned on the TV and launched YouTube, this is what comes up because these are channels that I follow, that I'm subscribed to. And just like any other channel that you watch on YouTube, you can create videos that pop up right in front of people the same way videos pop up right in front of you. And that's what you see Spike has done here. He just uploaded his latest video. And when I went to the YouTube app, there it was right there in front of me.
Hi everybody, welcome to Chow Time. This is Spike Spencer here, and today we're going to be working with purslane. Very, very cool. Okay, first of all, a couple things about purslane. One, you read the title in the voice, didn't you? The power of purslane compels you. That's what I was going for. The second thing you probably said was, what the hell is purslane? Well, purslane is a weed that you will find in your yard, almost anywhere. But here in America, we get rid of it. We think, oh, it's a weed. We're not going to eat that. But actually in Mexico, Italy, Europe, they eat a lot of purslane. And it's really incredibly nutritious. And I kind of gotten into foraging a little bit, so I'm learning more about foraging. It's just along the lines of going and picking dandelions. We're like, oh, the dandelions, they're weeds, they're everywhere. And then you pay a lot of money to get a bunch of dandelion greens in the store when you can go to the yard.
Motherland Kitchen is another one of my clients. Again, I did not have to go looking for this video. It's right here in my recommended list because my clients I train to publish a video once a week. So you're seeing a lot of these videos in my feed because I have people publishing videos once a week and I'm subscribed to their channel. So I'm going to see their videos in my feed, just like the people subscribed to your channel will see your videos pop up in their feed without them having to do anything.
Hi, we're back cooking with Sharon, and I have an amazing breakfast item for you today. Who doesn't love cinnamon rolls? I mean, I love cinnamon rolls, and usually when I think about eating them, I'm at the mall because Cinnabon just smells up the whole place. So we're going to do this at home. So I know you've had Thanksgiving. Well, we have a lot more for you. Stay tuned, be on the lookout, social media, email. If you haven't already subscribed to our email, you need to do so you don't miss out because we have some amazing things on the horizon. One is our upcoming holiday menu as well as meal prep. Yes, we are going to do meal prep. So many people have been asking me for meal prep, and so I said, you know what, we got to make this happen. I know, I've said it a couple times, maybe a few times that we're going to have it, but it takes a lot to put it together. But this time we're going to go and roll with it, and I hope you all are going to be happy with it. So stay tuned.
And here's some chefs who are not my clients, but the reason you know who they are is because you've been watching them on TV for years.
You may think you're the busiest person in the world, but over this series, I'm going to prove it's still possible to cook stunning food at home. My rules are simple. Home cooking has to be easy. It's got to be fast. It's got to be delicious. So if you think you can't cook amazing food at home, think again.
Please welcome back to the show the one and only Emerald. Welcome. Nice to see you.
How are you?
So happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday. And what are you doing to celebrate tonight?
You know who Gordon Ramsay and Martha Stewart and Emerald Lagasse are, not because of Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. You know who these people are because they've come right into your home and onto your TV for years and years. If you want to turn yourself into a household name and establish yourself as a major figure in the culinary industry, TV is how you do it. And YouTube is how you put yourself on TV. Instagram and TikTok are not going to do that for you. Your cookbook, your cooking classes, your spice blends, your catering or private chef services, whatever it is you offer for sale, the most effective way to get more people to buy it is to put yourself inside their homes on their big screen TV, because that's the closest thing you have to talking to them in person. This is how you can use a cooking show to pay all your bills and give yourself some options about how you live your life going forward. Because when you don't have to work long hours to pay your bills, you'll have more control over your time, which means more control over your life. Helping you get control over your life is why I teach chefs how to host your own cooking show. You do not have to work yourself to death in a hot kitchen all day every day with no end in sight and no retirement plan. Cooking education and entertainment is a $500 billion market, and you can take your cooking skills online and create financial freedom for yourself as soon as you decide you want a better life. When you're ready to use your cooking skills to create an entirely different life for yourself, use the link in the description box to schedule your cooking show strategy session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.